ready to talk to the camera?
Uh-huh. And can you give me my troll?
Give you your troll.
Uh-huh.
You can have one.
DJ with the curly hair. Hi, nice to meet you.
Well, hello, DJ. I'm glad you're here.
Dada.
Oh, we should probably get a toy for Bodhi or something. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
That is your story first.
Oh, Daddy's gonna tell a story? Well, I think we're gonna tell our story.
Yeah, we're gonna tell our story and how you came about.
So,
Yeah. Well, not all the details. Well, hello. We are the Just Go family. By the way, we didn't introduce ourselves.
Yes, let's introduce ourselves.
You go.
I am Kristen.
What's your name?
Rainy.
Rainy. This is Bodhi, and I'm Joel. And we are the Just Go family.
Also known as the Henderlongs.
Yes, true.
Spelled just how it sounds.
We wanted to put out a quick video about our channel and kind of the history of the Henderlongs and where, oh, you waving?
Hi.
Hi.
This is DJ.
That is DJ.
Hi.
Long story short, we wanted to essentially, at the point, I don't even know where I'm going with this. We should have some bloopers.
I'm just talking to talk.
I know. So long story short, we are essentially wanting to do more travel and go and have a lot more fun with the family. We spent the last 9 years, something like that, doing businesses, which we have been extremely grateful for and have provided a great lifestyle up until this point. But now we want to kind of shift gears and go out and just explore. And the reason for the channel is we just feel like in, most people's lives, they don't do anything. They just go to work, they sleep, they eat, they go to work, they sleep, they eat, but they don't actually go and explore the outdoors or any nearby activities from their house. And so we want to help push people to actually do that and go out and have fun and explore and make more of their life than just work, eat, and sleep. So that's kind of where we're at, and kind of wanted to talk about a little bit from when we got married to now. Here, I'll take it.
So our story is a little bit, that doesn't work. So our story, we met many years ago, 2006, in a incredible leadership academy called 24/7 in Colorado Springs. With that group, we got to have incredible experiences of traveling all over the world and going on mission trips and doing things that really, fed our soul. We were excited about it. But ever since then, we haven't been able to go on hardly any trips, which I think is most people's situation. So then we, after that, we got married. Hooray! And we did businesses for about, 10 years or so. We're coming up on 12 years of marriage. Hooray! So we've been doing businesses the whole time. But they still just didn't give us the time that we wanted. But we had incredible people in our life that taught us more so how to design a life that we want. And so that's why we are here now, because we really have solidified a lot more of what we want, and we want to make memories and travel with our kiddos, and we're not getting any younger, so we're gonna do it now. Or just go.
Yeah, here you go. Trading. The businesses we've owned are the first one was a painting company. We owned that one probably from the longest. It was about an 8-year run, and it was interior exterior painting. The second business we owned was a cell phone tower company where we build and maintain cell phone towers. Then we had a online directory for MMA.
With photography.
With photography combined. After that one, though, we did start a full-blown photography business. And then after that, what did we do after that? I'm thinking.
Gig working. TaskRabbit.
Oh yeah, we did a lot of
Grubhub. So it's raining. I'm doing Postmates. The only silver lining is that I didn't have to take the baby out of the car with me just to take the food inside. But hey, maybe I'll get a big tip.
We also had an online business, and still do have an online business where we sell like high-end products.
Yeah, and we're an affiliate of a great company, so we love their products.
Yep. And so that's kind of all the businesses we've owned. It's been quite a journey. We've learned a lot. And so once again, crazy grateful for it. But at the same time, we want to kind of change things up, I guess you could say.
Because we have so much background in construction from our painting days and everything else we've done. There's this app called TaskRabbit, and essentially we've found out that you can just redraw your work area and move. And so that's our plan for right now. I mean, sure, we have savings and we have other income sources, but Joel does still work. And I am blessed to be able to stay home with the kids, but our plan is to just move around the United States at first and spend about 2 months in different cities that TaskRabbit is already operating, and we will just have experiences and get to know those areas and have a great time just kind of being mobile.
Yep. I will say that this channel, we are going to talk about how you can do this too. Okay.
Absolutely.
So
That's a big
this
part.
is not just something for rich people, because by the way, we are not even close to rich. This is for everyone, and all it takes is a little bit of planning and being strategic, a little bit of discipline, of course, and changing your life up a little bit. So if you want more adventure in your life, it's absolutely possible. It's just going to take a little bit of planning, and so
faith.
And faith, absolutely, you got to have faith. So
Faith that it's gonna work out.
as we move forward, we're going to be putting out videos on how we can help you get in a position where you can travel more. So stay tuned for those things. Please like and subscribe. We're obviously a new channel and we need your help. There's no way we're going to be able to reach a lot of people if no one likes the channel or subscribes. So please help out with that. And please comment too if you have places that you want us to go to. If you have any ideas of something that you think is awesome in your state, maybe we can stop by and take a look and record it.
And we're also going to be driving most everywhere, because we want this to be, at least in the beginning, it's going to be very much focused on adventures, like Joel said, that you can do, whether it's in your whether it's in your backyard or just other places around the United States, and things. Maybe we go into Canada and maybe venture into Mexico, but for a while it's going to be the United States, because there's so much here to see, and we want to show how accessible it really is.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
What do you want to say, Rainey?
She's been dying to say something, so this is your time. Go.
Here, DJ.
Yep.
That's DJ.
We love trolls in this
Yeah.
family. She's tickling you. You're so silly.
So real quick, I forgot to mention that we actually are going to be, before we hit the road, we're going to be selling everything we own. And we live right now in a small two-bedroom apartment, and don't have a ton of stuff, but we definitely have things that we need to sell. But we're selling everything we own to make this happen. There's no way we could be mobile and travel across the United States if we have all this stuff. And so we're going to be selling everything we own. Plus, that's going to help kickstart us off money-wise. Hey, buddy. Hey, you like that? Hi. Money-wise, that's going to help us kick this off as well. And so we're going to sell everything we own except our cars. We have a whole garage full of just stuff that we've acquired. We're going to donate a lot of it. So that's how we're going to be able to travel and be mobile, is to get rid of all of our stuff and just have 2 cars. Hey, buddy. You want to say anything? Nope? Okay. Is that all you had to say? I thought you had more. Okay. I think that's it. That's all for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. Can you wave?
Bye. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.